Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to play Monopoly Go on airplane mode iPhone. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. Once you reach the game, you can start playing the game by hitting the Go button. Before that, make sure to enable the airplane mode of your mobile phone. Now you can collect the money by continuing the game. Then tap on the album shown on the lower line. Here you'll get different options and select the one by tapping on it. After that, you can add the stickers to the given chart to win. You can also share it with your friends by tapping on the friends option. Now you can exchange stickers to get the reward. In this way, you'll be able to play Monopoly Go on airplane mode iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.